Mlinena tukatenda. Karibu Rome Nairobi Service Center, where we offer sales, after-sales support, and client onboarding to our customers. For customers interested in purchasing the Rome bike, let this be your one-stop shop for bikes, batteries, and spare parts you may need. Rome riders, we heard your concerns. Welcome to our open service area, where we offer all after-sales solutions, that is service and repairs.
Hi, I'm Rome technician. I'm here to keep your bike on the road. Be it brake adjustment, chain adjustment, throttle repairs, tire repairs, wiring issues, and troubleshooting.
After purchasing, we also offer customer onboarding, where we educate the customer on how to use the bike, maintain the bike, as well as where to find our services. We are located along Lusaka Road, opposite Rome Hub. Bring your Rome Air for service or checks from 7 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. on weekdays and 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturdays.
Let's keep your bike on the road.